This video applies to Bobcat Loaders, Excavators, and Toolcat work machines manufactured since 2013 that are equipped with a round air filter design. An excavator is used for this demonstration, but the procedure is the same for all products. Always read and understand the operation and maintenance manual before performing maintenance work. Today we'll cover how to change the round style engine air filters on machines equipped with Bobcat branded engines. Always wear safety glasses when performing maintenance, and work gloves are preferred for many procedures. And be sure to allow the engine to cool before doing service. Always keep a new outer and inner filter on hand so you can promptly change them when alerted by your machine. And always use genuine Bobcat filters to ensure you get the proper protection. Never attempt to clean an air filter element. This can damage the element and lead to costly engine repairs. Only replace the filters when necessary, when you see the flashing service indicator and air filter plug service code on the machine display, or when shown by the mechanical indicator. To change the air filter, stop the engine and access the engine compartment and air filter. Before removing the air filter cover, note the correct installed position and the unique features for cover installation. Some covers use a single lock or latch, while others have multiple latches. Some covers must be rotated to remove or install. These have instructions on a cover decal, or molded into the cover. When the cover includes an evacuator valve, it points down. Remove the air filter cover. Remove the outer filter by pulling the filter out of the housing. Some outer filters need to be rotated to remove or install. These have instructions molded into the filter. Replace the inner filter every second or third time the outer filter is replaced, according to your machine's manual. Clean and inspect the cover and the filter housing. Check for any damage and verify the sealing surfaces are clean. Use a damp rag to wipe out the housing. Do not use compressed air, as this could force debris into the engine compartment. Install a new inner filter and outer filter carefully, pushing them into the housing until they contact the base. Install the cover, making sure it is correctly aligned with the housing. If the cover includes an evacuator valve, it points down. Follow instructions on the cover decal or mold it on the cover if provided. Secure the cover latches. Then check all the hose connections to make sure they're tight. If you're only replacing the outer filter, start the engine and operate at full RPM. If the condition indicator or display panel still shows a plugged filter, replace the inner filter.